When considering naming things with Angular, there are really two motivations for thinking about our naming strategy. The first of these is so that we can look at an object name and understand what type of object it is, even if we don't have any context. Names can convey so much information that good names are one of the best things we can do to simplify our development and maintenance. The second motivation is to avoid name collisions. In Angular, objects require unique names, but Angular doesn't throw an error if we name two objects the same. Instead, it will silently overwrite one with the other. Because of this, it's important to avoid name collisions. So the first thing we want to think about is how we should name our files. We basically have two options here. We can exactly match the name of the object that our file contains, or we can use a different name. The benefit to using the same name is that when we see in code that a certain object is used, then it's easy in most editors and IDEs to open up that file by searching for the same name. The drawback to this method is that we might be able to convey additional information in a file name that we don't want in an object name. Whereas the benefit to having a different file name versus the object name is that we are free to put additional information in the name of the file. For example, we might put on a suffix that shows the type of object. The drawback to this method is that if the names vary, we might not know the name of the file when we are trying to open it up for editing or reading. A solid naming convention can help us out with this.